Hey guys! In today's video let's take a look at LG S95QR, a home theater audio with Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and a Max Enhanced. The LG S95QR is a 9.1.5 channel soundbar system that aims to deliver a full surround sound experience with Dolby Atmos and DTS, X support. It has a total power output of 810 watts and comes with a wireless subwoofer and two wireless rear speakers that have up-firing height channels. It also has smart features such as Google Assistant and Alexa built in, as well as AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, Chromecast, and Spotify Connect for wireless streaming. It has multiple ports such as HDMI 2.1, optical input, USB host, and WOWCAST for connecting to various devices. It is designed to create a realistic and powerful sound experience for movies, music, and games. The design of the S95QR is sleek and compact, with a gray fabric finish and a curved shape that matches LG TVs. The soundbar measures 47.2 by 2.5 by 5.3 inches and can be placed under most TVs or wall-mounted. The subwoofer is a large cube that measures 7.9 by 15.9 by 15.9 inches and can be placed anywhere in the room as long as it is plugged into a power outlet. The rear speakers are smaller than the soundbar and measure 6.3 by 8.8 by 5.6 inches each. They have up-firing drivers on top to create height effects and can be placed on stands or wall-mounted. All the speakers are wireless and connect to the soundbar automatically. The connectivity options of the S95QR are plentiful and versatile, with both wired and wireless options. It has two HDMI 2.1 inputs and one HDMI 2.1 output with ARC support, which allow you to connect 4K devices, such as Blu-ray players, game consoles, or streaming boxes, and pass through high-quality audio and video signals. It also has a digital optical input, a USB host port, and a WOWCAST port for connecting other devices such as laptops or projectors. For wireless streaming, it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and Spotify Connect, which let you play music from your smartphone, tablet, or computer using various apps and services. It also has Google Assistant and Alexa built in, which let you control the soundbar in your smart home devices using voice commands. The sound quality of the S95QR is impressive and immersive thanks to its 17 drivers and 9.1.5 channel configuration. It supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, X formats, which create a three-dimensional sound field that envelops you from all directions. It also has a meridian mode that enhances stereo music by using more of the speakers and creating a wider soundstage. The soundbar delivers clear dialogue, detailed highs, and powerful bass, while the rear speakers add depth and dimension to the surround sound. The subwoofer is punchy and deep, but can sometimes sound boomy or disconnected from the rest of the system. The height effects are noticeable but not very precise or realistic, and can sometimes make dialogue sound too exposed or distant. The S95QR has some sound modes that you can choose from using the remote control or the LG Soundbar app on your smartphone or tablet. The modes are Standard, AI Sound Pro, Bass Blast, Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, Movie, Music, Meridian, Nighttime, and User EQ. The AI Sound Pro mode automatically analyzes the content and optimizes the sound for different genres such as news, sports, music, and movies. The Bass Blast mode enhances the bass effect for more powerful and dynamic sound. The Movie mode creates a cinematic sound experience with enhanced surround and bass effects. The Music mode delivers clear and balanced sound for music playback. The Nighttime mode reduces the volume of loud sounds and increases the volume of quiet sounds for comfortable listening at night. The User EQ mode allows you to adjust the sound settings according to your preference. The S95QR is easy to set up and use, with seamless wireless connectivity and intuitive controls. You can use the remote control or the LG Soundbar app to adjust the volume, select the input source, change the sound mode, activate AI room calibration, and more. You can also use voice commands to control the soundbar using Google Assistant or Alexa on your smartphone or smart speaker. You can also stream music from your devices using AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, Chromecast, or Spotify Connect. The S95QR is a great option for anyone looking for a complete surround sound solution that supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, X without having to deal with wires or complicated setups. It offers a powerful and immersive sound experience for movies, music, and games with plenty of smart features and connectivity options. If you are looking for some alternatives to this soundbar system, you might want to consider Samsung HWQ990B, a 11.1.4 channel soundbar system that supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X with wireless subwoofer and rear speakers, and also Sony HTS7000, an all-in-one 7.1.2 channel soundbar that supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X with built-in subwoofer but no rear speakers. However, you can add optional wireless subwoofer or rear speakers for more bass or surround effects. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my two next videos. See you soon.